Today, I'm using Full Coverage Clear Coffin Nails by EC Basket and Ocean Aqua by LA Colors, number 682. A sheer white custom mix I did myself, Wet n Wild glossy top coat, and a silver shimmer that you'll see later. This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hey NailTubers! What is up, Nailification Squad? And hello to everyone new here today. I hope you all are doing well. We have a little rain mixed with snow, but we've probably been due for it after having all the lovely 60-degree days. It won't last, so I'm okay with it for now. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail technician. This is one of my favorite series on the channel, but this isn't all you'll see. I do acrylics, gel and polygel, and although not very often, I have done dip nails too. I post on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and there's another series that just started premiering again on Wednesdays, which is tomorrow, and it's called The Masked Finger. It's a nail comedy spin from The Masked Singer. You can join the premiere and have interactive fun trying to guess what's under the masked finger, just like the real TV show. I also have other content like hauls and reviews, so how about considering joining this NailTube family? I think you'll like today's set as much as I do. This is another one I did a while back anticipating my work schedule. Sometimes I do the whole shebang, recording, editing and all, but this one in particular, I remember doing the first set for the hand you already see, which is always a sneak peek while you watch me work. Then I finished this portion of the recording later. With 3 solid nails, the thumb, index, and pinky, the middle and ring fingers will get an easy breezy ocean wave design to make this set perfect for vacation or just to feel like you've gone somewhere. Because y'all know, right now things are so different that we gotta do what we can. I will wear these and chill with something relaxing in my backyard, honey. As I think of it, that would be part of being on a budget, wouldn't it? It costs nothing to take that break and set yourself up with some chill music and something light to eat and a refreshing beverage. Speaking of beverages, can someone help me with this one? So, I can't remember when or where, but my family was at some type of gathering, you know, like where there's food and all. And my son said he was going to get a soda. Someone asked where we were from because they were saying it's called something different in other regions. I think it was said that here in Chicago it's pop, but in other areas it's called soda, which is why they asked where we were from. I find things like that so fascinating. So this is where the silver shimmer polish is used, and I simply place the colors very randomly, and the actual purpose for the Milky White is to add the wavy water effect. You know what else? I also like fun facts you didn't know. Here's one for you. Did you know that roller coasters came about in America by way of coal mines? When mining was done, the local people would come and pay a nickel to ride the mining train. In like about 1905 or prior, there was the Great Coal Mine Scenic Railway roller coaster at Coney Island. Around the same time, the hot dog was invented. Another bit of history comes from Russia during the mid-1600s and what is now known as St. Petersburg, where the idea came from wooden ice slides down steep hills that range from 50 to 70 degrees and drop. Isn't that something? Since then, there has been some dispute over whose idea it was to add wheels, twists, and turns. But let's just say it took off from there, and they are definitely a lot of fun, right? I just thought it would be something intriguing. Also, because Coney Island is a beachy area combined with fun times. How perfect for this set. 2 coats of color is done for the accent nails, and even when going in with the second coat, there was no worry to get the color on to the exact. After all, water doesn't move that way. And neither did I worry over having a little open space here and there. These are polishes I've had for a long while, and since they're so inexpensive, I usually have more than one of each color. So getting a touch of another color on the brush wasn't too big of a concern either. Glossy top coat gives this pearl polish so much more life. There ended up being some imperfections that I missed until the set was turned at the right angle. Then I noticed there's a piece towards the tip of the index finger. I remember it and thought it was brushed away while I was polishing because there was a brief pause earlier when I gave it a glance over. Also, I must have nicked the pinky finger somehow when placing the set off to the side. I didn't mention embellishments in the beginning because I wasn't sure if I was going to do the same as the other hand, but then I decided it would be better. The seashells are from a mixed pot that was gifted, and the stones, guys, the stones. Just a few on each of the 2 nails. I love them. I already feel like it was a mini vacation spent with all of you. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have. If so, hit the like button and remember to subscribe and hit the Nailification bell so you'll know when tomorrow's premiere starts and any other content to come. See you then. Much love.